Can't reach as far as the other one. He's too big.
Wow.
I like that little.
When they were on my when they were on my car, oh my god, their teeth were scary.
That one was checking you out.
Look at that one up there, Mom.
Oh, look, he looks to the big one. Are you going for it? No? Okay.
Cause he doesn't want to get beat up by him.
Oh.
What's the grass?
Don't feed the animals, it says. So what does Joe do?
Hey, he's.
Does anyone want him?
They're afraid to with that big one.
Yeah, he's the alpha, and he doesn't want them to. He doesn't want to beat him
That
up.
little one is so cute.
You're not?
Yeah, see, look, they run away.